I wanted to try something new, something different. I really like to try new things, learn new roles. It caught my attention because my dad used to work in something like that, so he would give me advice and talk about his day-to-day. I remembered his stories and I was really interested and went for it, and I love doing warehouse. My name is Katherine Galindo and I'm currently warehouse lead specialist. What warehouse lead specialists do is take charge of everything that's going on in the warehouse when it comes to shipping, boxing, single use, maintaining inventory, the control over the organization of the warehouse, and taking charge of the incoming shipments. I wasn't liking the environment too much of my old job. Saint-Gobain, they were looking for a manufacturing tech. It caught my attention because they empower growth. It was exciting to become like an official Saint-Gobain employee. There's more opportunities when you're an official employee. The benefits are great, the insurance is great, the experience is one of a kind. This company is great for tuition help. I started attending Montgomery College. Right now I'm studying just for general studies. In the mornings I work and then I take online classes in the afternoon. And I think that's awesome that the company offers that. There's a lot of young people that are eager to learn. The opportunities are everywhere here. I learn easily. I like to experience what other people do here in the company. I love coming here every day. I don't see me looking for anything else anytime soon. It's pretty awesome. When I go home and I talk to my dad about everything that I do in the warehouse, he's really proud that I'm learning this new thing that most women aren't really in, because it's making a difference. The more confidence you have in yourself, the more you trust yourself to do the job. Especially if you also have a team behind you always pushing you to do better. You can do anything if you put your mind to it.